Oh my God, I'm all over the place today. Have you ever had one of those days you were just all over the place? Well, that is me today. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I am Sheree. Welcome if you are returning. Welcome back and thank you so much here on this channel. I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. So if you like any of those things or all of those things, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you join the team. And if you want to make sure that you never miss a video, go ahead and hit the bell, and every time a video is out on this channel, it will notify you. Let's get started. I have fallen back in love, you guys, with the little blue box or the big blue bag. I've missed you, Tiffany. It's a long story. If you want to hear the story, let me know. I have a couple of more Tiffany unboxings coming up, so I will share with you in the next story. I want to keep this video short and sweet. It's really a cute little unboxing. It's just so super cute. It's so girly. It's so me. Okay, girl, open the bag already. You guys, for those of you that don't know, probably nobody knows because I never really talked about Tiffany on the channel before. I love Tiffany. It's so sentimental to me. It means so much to me. It brings back so many memories. There was a time where there was no Tiffany, okay? There was no anything. And I always look at the, you know, Audrey Hepburn, you know, All Pretty Woman, all the movies like that, the classics, Breakfast at Tiffany's. Can you speak? Breakfast, you know, those type of things. And I was always a girl who wished and dreamed, and I was a girly girl growing up, okay? I had the dolls, I had the dollhouse, the Barbie dolls, the whole nine. So this is so me. It's so me. When I seen these, I'm like, I have got to have those. I've got to have that in my closet and have girl time in my closet and have these to go with it. So let's see. What did you get? What is it? What is it? All right, bag. You stay right there. These are them. Can you take a guess? Take 2.5 seconds. 1, 2, 0.5. All right, write in the comment section what do you think is in this little cute little blue box. I will show you. Oh, I keep all these ribbons. You guys know something really good to do. You get a very clear, beautiful vase, and I take all the white ribbons like this and I put them in there. It looks really pretty, and then every now and then I just spray perfume in there, and it makes your whole entire room smell really good. Don't say I've never shared anything. So here's the box. Let's open it. It is, are you ready? Are you ready? Ta-da! It's these. Oh yes, aren't they super cute, right? They're just little cups that say Tiffany Co. I thought this was so me. I thought this was so everything. I cannot wait to take these out and put them in my closet. I always go in my closet. I go in my closet and I just hang out in there sometime. That's a place I could go in. It just makes me happy. It's painted my favorite color. It's like Tiffany blue and white, and I have, of course, trimmed in black and white with Chanel because it's just my absolute favorite brand. But this is going to be so cute in there for the days that I just go in and I just want to sit and have a cup of tea or a cup of hot cocoa or just a glass of water, you know what I mean? Why don't we do that now? Let's just, no, I'm not drinking out of this because I haven't washed these yet. I have got to wash them, or else I would have had a cup of water. We could have had our first cheers together with the new Tiffany cup. You guys, these are so cool. I didn't have any reason for getting them other than they match. I really like them. I thought they were super cute, super me, super girly. I heard some people say that they would use them for makeup brushes. Some people say they would use them for, you know, drinking out of. I asked the lady at the store. She said she wouldn't recommend putting anything like heavy colored in here because it could stain. She just said, like, if it was red wine or something like that, you wouldn't want to put that in here. Be even careful with coffee as well because it could stain. She wasn't quite sure. So I will just be putting clear beverages in here. I don't really allow food upstairs in my house or drinks or anything like that. So for the most part, it's going to be water. I cannot wait to invite my husband in my closet and have him over for a sip of water out of our new Tiffany cups. I just thought this was really cute. I think this is very girly, very classy, very elegant. It's everything that Tiffany embodies. I think this would be a great gift. I will leave the price and all the information in the description box below. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and check it out, you guys. That's all. I just wanted to hop on and share these. I thought they were super, super cute. Anyways, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm going to go wash my cups and have a cup of water in my closet and find a place to display them in the closet. I think I'm gonna get something, I don't know, I might use a box as a prop, something really cute, and put these out. But I just thought they were super cute. We picked these up and I wanted to share. If you're a Tiffany lover, you love Tiffany's, this is a great little, you know, piece of the brand to put inside your closet. Oh my god, I thought it said return to Tiffany's down here, but no, it says something else. I don't know what they're made out of. Seems like China. I don't know. If I find any of her information out, I'll leave it in the description box below, or I might put something on the screen. You guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for being here. I hope to see you in the next video. I will see you soon, and until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.